Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a language on Nikon camera. And to do this we'll need to click on menu button and then select the range button on the left. It should be located right here. Then find the language. It should be somewhere in the middle of the page, and you can also identify it by looking on the two letters next to it if your camera is set in a language that you don't understand, and then click on it just click on it with OK, and you will see the list of all available languages. Now you can choose whichever one you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.